In too many North American plants, inventory is still counted by humans, on forklift, clipboards in hand, hoping the numbers are right. 30 minutes later, you find out the sheet stock you thought you had doesn't exist. That's not a people problem. That's a systems problem. This is fully integrated laser automation, automated sheet storage, real-time material tracking, automatic weighing, instant inventory alerts when stock drops below threshold. Sheets move directly from storage to the laser by a gantry robot. Finished parts move out. No guessing, no bottlenecks, no labor waste. North America ranks 10th in automation productivity. Standing still isn't neutral anymore. It's falling behind. This isn't future tech. It's survival tech with immediate ROI. If you're serious about productivity, huge margins, and more than survival, give us a call. Because automation isn't coming. It's already here.